aquaponics system together. The three of us are all Westchester Henderson students and aspiring engineers.
Hi, I'm Mike. Max and I are seniors. James here is a junior.
I'm hoping in college to major in mechanical engineering.
In college, I plan on majoring in computer engineering and economics.
I aspire to chemical engineering in college.
We've all been collaborating on this aquaponics system here for the past 6 months, and now we're going to show it to you. Enjoy.
Alright, so here we are at the beds. We've got pretty simple, some pea plants and some pepper plants set up. We'll go into a little bit more as we get it more into the video. But here's just a basic view of the bed. So here's kind of just a nice close-up on some of those pea stalks. You can see in the back we have a little bit of a fencing area to just kind of allow them to grow upwards. It's curved at the top to try and kind of deter them from going up too much. Hasn't worked out really well. They've grown a lot more than we initially expected. Not necessarily a bad thing, but they're definitely proving very healthy. So here you can see kind of those pepper plants. They're not really big right now, but they'll get there eventually. And you can also see some of these expanded clay balls that really help with water retention in the system. So here's our gravity-fed drainage system. It just basically will really quickly purge the whole system just in case of a flood. And as we go lower, we can just kind of see the rest of the drainage pipe. There's a valve on there just to make sure that you can kind of control some of the water flow. And then it all falls down. You can see one of our goldfish. And as we move across the tank, you kind of just get a good view. There's our plico up against the filter head. Just good, like, sideways pan. You can kind of get the whole view of the filter, some of the drainage valve, a lot of the tank surface area. And over here, we've zoomed in on the pump system. Inside the PVC pipe is a pump, 20 gallon per hour, and it'll force all the water up into here, up into this valve system, which will then force the water up into the beds eventually, and which will then continue the loop. So now we're just going to jump up to the electronics section. You can see we have actually 3 timers on the system, 2 of them for the lighting and 1 of them for the pump system. Up on top you can see the air pump and our high output T5 halogen bulbs that really help with all the lighting. As we're coming down, you can see the black. This is the pump timer. And as we keep moving down, we eventually get to the pump, which you can see is covered in the PVC pipe, as I mentioned earlier. That really helps just filter out any of the solids and keep the fish away. Here's our filter that helps with the ammonia to nitrate conversion, and a heater that keeps the system right around 65 degrees. Up on top again, here's those halogen bulbs, here's those pea plants, here's the air pump. A really nice mixture, everything's kind of growing upwards, and I'm very happy to see it. As we're coming down, you can see the fan. Fan helps with, what would originally be natural wind power. It helps strengthen the stalks of the plants and help them grow upwards faster. So now we come down to the cloner where we can kind of see the LED lighting. This basically helps with when we have a plant already grown, we can cut off clones from it and grow them in here through aeroponics. It's basically the spraying of a nutrient solution among the roots. It helps the plants grow, and it eliminates the need to go out and buy seedlings from the stores. In the end, I know my partners and I have worked extremely hard and devoted a lot of time to the research, development, and building of this project. We believe this kind of system could easily be built in any household to provide entire families with nutritious plants and fish. Although the video went by quickly, there will be a link in the description to our Google Science Fair 2016 page to give a much more in-depth look at the research, explanations, and benefits of our system. We love every moment we get our hands on when developing and innovating these types of systems, and hope our viewers, and most especially Google, will see this. Thanks again for watching.